Okay, welcome to this week's lesson. Okay, I believe that we learn maths is not just for passing an exam or to do some homework, but more importantly, we can use it in our daily life. So next time when you come out from school, you will start working or you go out and buy something, you can use maths in your daily life. Okay, for example, today I went to the bookstore to buy some stuff. Okay, I bought two books. Okay, I bought two books here, and then I also bought a box of staples. So how would you know how much you need to pay? Okay, let's say you have the membership card. For example, if you have a popular membership card, you can enjoy 10% discount. So how much do you need to pay after the 10% discount? So how would you solve this problem? So firstly, you add them up first. Okay, the price of two books and then a box of staples. You add them up. Okay, so I get the total of 17 ringgit 75 cents. Okay, for these three items. And then you get 10% discount. So you can minus 10%, then you pay a lower price. So what you can do is, the full price you need to pay is 100%. Okay, the total is always 100%. So minus 10% discount, you only have to pay 90%. Okay, you only have to pay 90% from the total price. So what you can do is you take the total price, 17 ringgit 75 cents, and then you times 90%. Okay, because you get 10% discount. So you only times 90%, and then you'll come to a final price of 15 ringgit 97 cents. Okay, you can see here 15 ringgit 97 cents. So that is the price after the discount, right? Okay, so this is something that you can apply in your daily life. Okay, all the things that you learn in a textbook, they are useful for your daily life. Okay, now let's continue our discussion with the exercises in your textbook. Okay, let's look at question 6. Xin completed 1/6 of his project in 1/3 days. Calculate the duration it took to complete his project. So, I draw this diagram here and I separate it into 6 parts, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So she completed 1/6. Okay, this is 1/6. Okay, you shade 1 out of 6 parts. And this one part over here, she took 1/3 days. Now we need to find the duration he took to complete the whole project. That means the whole thing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 must be completed as well. So what we do here is, one day is this amount. So one part, okay, 1/6, yeah? One part is this amount. Now 6 parts, you just times 6 off. Okay, one part is this amount, 6 parts, you times 6. Okay, now you need to change this to improper fraction first, right? Times and then plus. So 3 times 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. The bottom doesn't change. Sorry, doesn't change, should be 3. Okay, then you times 6. 3 and 6 you can simplify, they are in sphere 3. So you divide 3, you get 1. Divide 3, you get 2. And then 7 times 2, you get 14 days. So the duration is 14 days. Question 7. An express bus departed from KL to Kanga at 10:10 p.m. on Tuesday. The journey took 3/4 hours. When did the bus arrive at Kanga? Okay, again the formula, starting time plus the duration equals the ending time or the arrival time. So starting time is 10:10 p.m.
on Tuesday plus the duration 7 3/4 hours equals the ending time. Now we need to find out how many minutes is 3/4 hours. So if you look at the clock over here, it looks like a round pizza, right? So this 1/4 here, from 12 to 3, 1/4, this is 1/4, equals to 15 minutes, right? 1/4 is 15 minutes. So 2/4 or half is 30 minutes. Then 3/4 is 45 minutes. 4/4 or 1 hour is 60 minutes. Okay, if you remember this, it is faster. If you don't remember this, then you have to calculate 3/4 hours. You have to change to minutes. 3/4 you times 60 minutes, because 1 hour is 60 minutes. And then 4 and 60 you simplify, divide 4, and then 3 times 15 you get 45 minutes. Okay, so if you remember, 1 quarter is 15 minutes, 2 quarters 30 minutes, 3 quarters 45 minutes, 4 quarters 60 minutes. It's faster. Okay, then we can add up now hours and minutes. Okay, 10 o'clock, 10 hours 10 minutes plus the duration 7 hours 3 quarters is 45 minutes. 3/4 is 45 minutes. So you add up. Okay, 17:55. Then we minus 12 hours. Okay, why we minus 12 hours? Because there's no 17 hours, right? So we minus 12 hours, so it becomes 5:55. Now you look at the starting time here. The starting time is PM. So when it crosses the 12 hour into 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17, this is AM. Right? Just like your clock here. We are starting at 10 PM. After you cross the 12 mark, it becomes AM, right? So 10 plus 7 hours is 17, minus 12 is 5. So this is 5 AM in the morning. So the answer is 5:55 AM. What day is this? The bus started journey on Tuesday night. Okay, you see that? Tuesday night, PM on Tuesday. So when it crosses 12 midnight, it becomes a new day, the next day. So one day after Tuesday is Wednesday. Okay, so 5:55 AM, Wednesday. That's the answer. Question 8. The estimated number of vehicles that pass a toll plaza for 2 days continuously is between 0.018 million to 0.019 million. The number of vehicles that pass the toll plaza on the first day, write down first. First day was 2 times the number of vehicles that pass on the second day. Estimate the number of vehicles that pass the toll plaza on the second day. Okay, step 1, we change the decimals to numbers first. So 0.018 million, we change to numbers, we have to times a million because the unit is million. Okay, 6 zeros in a million. So you can write a few zeros behind first. Okay, the decimal point is here. Then we move 6 times because 6 zeros to the right. When we times, we move to the right, so the numbers get bigger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over here. So now the number is 18,000. So the number of vehicles that pass the toll plaza is between 18,000 to 19,000. Okay, first day is 2 times more than second day. Right? First day is 2 times more than second day. So there are 3 parts. Okay, if I draw a diagram, there are 3 parts to this equation. First day is 2 times, so I draw 2 parts. This is first day, and then this is second day, only 1 part. Okay, why I do like this? Because the question tells us that first day was 2 times the number of vehicles on the second day. First day is 2 times, 2 kali ganda. So 2 times of second day. So altogether, how many parts are there? Only 3 parts, right? 1, 2, 3. Only 3 parts. So we take 18,000 because this is just an estimation. So we can take 18,000, we divide 3 parts because there are 3 parts. So you divide all zeros here, 0, 0. So 1 part is 6,000. Okay, 1 part is 6,000. So for first day, it has 2 parts, right? You can see here I shaded 2 parts. So 2 times 6,000 is 12,000. Whereas for second day has only 1 part. Only 1 part. So 1 part is 6,000. Okay, then we check the answers. Total is 18,000. So first day is 12, second day is 6. 12 plus 6,000 is 18,000. So correct. And then the second criteria, the first day is 2 times the traffic on second day. So let's check. First day is 12,000. Is it 2 times than second day? Yes, it is. Because 6 times 2, we get 12. So this is one of the answers. Okay, because the value is between 18,000 to 19,000, so there are several answers that are acceptable. But we stick it to the simplest one. We take the round number, it's easier to calculate. So you can write first day 12,000, second day 6,000, then we get a total of 18,000. Question 9. The table below shows the number of year 6 boys in a school. Each class has 40 pupils. So there are 3 classes here, right? So 40 pupils, 40 pupils, 40 pupils. Calculate the percentage of the girls in the school. Okay, so total students, we add all the 3 classes. 40 times 3 classes, you get 120 students. Number of boys, you add them up. 26 plus 20 plus 20, you get 66. These are boys. Okay. Then to find the girls, you take the total students, 120, minus the total boys. So this is 4, this is 5. Okay, 54 girls. Find the percentage of girls in the school. So percentage of girls. So girls you put on top in a fraction over the total students, 120. Okay, girls, to find the percentage, you put the item on top and then the bottom is over the total, 120 students. So how do you find percentage? You times 100%. Okay, so you can make the number smaller first. Cross 1 0. 12 and 10, they are in CFIR 2, so we can divide 2, I get 6, divide 2, I get 5. 54 and 6, they are in CFIR 6. Okay, you divide 6, you get 1, you divide 6, you get 9. Okay, sorry, divide 6, you get 9, right? Okay, then 9 times 5, you get 45%. So this is the answer. Okay, question 10. The total price of a smartphone and its cover is 2,000. Phone plus cover is 2,000. The price of the smartphone is 1,760 ringgit more than the price of its cover. So phone is more expensive. How much more? 1,760 ringgit more than the cover. Find the price of the cover. So I take the total price, I minus this difference here. Okay, I minus this difference here. Okay, this one is you borrow, becomes 1, this one becomes 9, this one becomes 10. 10 minus 6 is 4, 9 minus 7 is 2. Okay, I take the total price minus the difference, I get 240, and then I divide 2. Okay, I divide 2 because there are two items here, phone and cover. So I divide 2, I get 120. Okay, then I want to check my answers. Okay, remember to put all RM here. Yeah? Okay, remember to put RM. Okay, then I want to check my answers. Is the cover 120 ringgit? Okay, if the cover is 120 ringgit, and then the phone is 1,760 ringgit more expensive. So how much is the phone? I add it, I get 1880. So the phone is 1880, the cover is 120. So is the total 2,000? You take 1,880 ringgit plus the phone cover 120 ringgit, you get, yes, 2,000. So then your answer is correct because the total is 2,000. That's how you check your answers. 11. The sum. Okay, how do you get the sum? You plus, then you get the sum. The sum of two numbers is 0.5 million. So let's say I put the first number is A, the second number is B. So A plus B is 0.5 million. And then the difference, when you see the word difference, we minus. Between the two numbers is 1/5 million. So let's say A minus B or B minus A is 1/5 million. Find the values of two numbers. So firstly, we have to change this to round number first. So 0.5 million equals 0.5 times a million. 6 zeros. So you just move the decimal point. You can write a few zero first. Okay, then you move 6 times to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we stop here. So we get 500,000. So the sum of both numbers is 500,000. Okay, the second one is 1/5 million. Same thing here, we change to round number first. We times a million. Simplify this one and this one. Divide 5. Divide 5, you get 2. And then all the zeros you just copy behind. So we get 1 times 200,000 is 200,000. Okay, so how do we find A and B? So this is very similar to question 10. So I take 500,000, I minus 200,000 to find the smaller value first. Then later we find the bigger value. Okay, to find the smaller value among the two numbers, we minus. Then we divide, just like question 10. Okay, we minus first, then I get 300,000. Then I divide 2. Why do I have to divide 2? Because there are two numbers, A and B, right? So we divide 2. Okay, the rest is all zeros. 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so the smaller number is 150,000. Okay, what about the bigger number? So the bigger number, instead of minus, we have to plus. Just now we minus, right? 500,000 minus 200,000. So to find the bigger numbers, we plus. So 500,000 plus 200,000. Then we get 700,000, then we divide 2. Why divide 2? Because there are two numbers. 3 times 2, 6. 5 times 2, 10. The rest is all 0. Okay, all 0. So the second number is 350,000. Okay, then we check our answer. Find the value of two numbers. Okay, we check the answer. The sum of two numbers is 500,000. When we add them, do we get 500,000? Yes, we do, right? We get 500,000. And then the second criteria, the difference between the two numbers is 200,000. So when we minus them, do we get 200,000? So you take the bigger number, 350,000, minus the smaller number, 150,000. Yes, we get 200,000. So we get the answer since it fulfills both criteria. So one of the numbers is 150,000 and the second number is 350,000.
Okay, so that's all for our lesson today. So I'll see you in school tomorrow. Okay, make sure you come to school early tomorrow. And if you are not feeling well, okay, you are sick, you are having fever, please rest at home. Okay, please rest at home. Okay, see you tomorrow in school. Bye-bye.